Welcome guys, today I have for you a Republic TCG tool cutting grinder 1016 number 2. This machine is wired for 440 volts and we'll just get right into it. This machine does have a bunch of attachments to it that you will see in the photos, but right now we have our ID spindle along with our main wheel, which is driven all together by one belt right here. You could go ahead and remove it if you'd like. I just have it on here for our video purposes, along with our workhead right there, with our 3-jaw chuck. Machine also, like I said, has a bunch of different tooling that you'll see in the video, in the photos. We do have a bunch of hand wheels on this machine. So to start off with, we do have this one right here. If you pull out this little knob just a little bit, you could manually run your table slowly with the hand wheel. But if you push it in, you could spin this narrow knob so you could get faster speed. This right here is going to be what brings our head in and out. And if the camera just wants to follow me off to this backside right here, I'd like to demonstrate a couple more hand wheels. So if you can be working in the backside of this machine, where you could bring the head in with our hand wheel, just like the same one in the front. We have 2 hand wheels, one here and one on the other side, that will operate our table. And then lastly, this is going to be our up and down for our spindle over here. As you can see, we do have a bunch of swiveling motions on here where we could spin the head itself or the actual unit, along with this head right here. This attachment right here can also swivel. It's just a matter of unloosening a couple nuts here and there and everything moves real freely. With all that being said, we'll go ahead and put some power to it. We do have our controls right off to this side right here if you want to just take a quick peek. It's pretty simple. You have your forward reverse, you have your hydraulic, you have your coolant, and that's really it. So let's get started with our coolant. Really quiet tank, really quiet motor on there. And let's get started one thing at a time. So we got that going for you, really nice again. This just plugs into the back of the machine. And let's get both of our wheels going. You do hear primarily the ID spindle right now, but both wheels are going as I mentioned before. You can adjust this table to go on a taper. It looks like it's 10 degrees both ways. All you have to do is just crank down this little knob right here, as long as these two are just cracked loose a little bit. This is the original paint for this machine. This right here is going to be a nice stand for a helicoil attachment that we do have. You'll see that in the photos as well. The only reason why it's not on, it's because it takes 2 pieces and it's super big going on both units. So this is primarily, well, this is a manual machine where you're just going to be doing all the feeding yourself. And that's basically it for this. So again, this is our Republic tool cutter grinder 1016 number 2 with the coolant tank off to the side, wired for 440 volts. Thank you very much.